Friends, ChatGPT can now think beyond human intellectual ability. Yes, you heard it right. If I had said the same sentence few months ago, then I might have been wrong, but today I may not. Why I'm saying this? To understand it, please go through this video carefully. So hello everyone, I welcome you all to your favorite channel, My Research Support, and today we'll be diving into an interesting topic that will blow your mind. So you must have heard about ChatGPT's deep research feature, which is launched in last month. You may have used it as well, but do you really know that how to utilize its full capabilities by putting right prompt? Do you also know that which prompt may leads to higher AI detection scores? If not, then this video is for you. So in last 1 month, I have used this feature frequently. I have generated several documents by using different prompts, and parallelly I have analyzed AI score reports, and based on that, whatever experience I have gained, that I would like to share with all of you. So please watch this video very carefully without skipping any of the part. Now in short, let us first discuss about how to use right prompt to yield excellent results, and then I'll also be commenting on the depth and quality of the generated text, and simultaneously we'll be discussing about the similarity and AI score reports for this generated content, most preferably in Turnitin. Now in order to use this deep research feature, you must have upgraded to premium version, and here you need to put your prompt. Let us say this is my first prompt. Write a comprehensive literature review on the development of magnesium alloy. This is my topic and I need this literature review for past 10 years. So you have to also mention about few specific things, like on which major points you have to emphasize within your literature review, like material properties, processing techniques, biomedical applications of these alloys, and then you have to also mention about number of words. So I have put here 5,000 words, you may put like 10,000 words, and this feature is capable to generate this much long literature review. And I have also mentioned about please include both experimental and theoretical studies where applicable. Now you have to click on this deep research and then enter, and most of the times whenever you will put your first prompt, then this deep research feature will ask you about few key points. So this deep research feature is asking me that whether I am interested in specific type of biomedical application. It is also asking about whether you are interested in specific type of this magnesium alloys. Also, do I need to follow any specific citation style, and do I need the list of references at the end? So in regards to this text, I have typed I need this review for MgCe alloy for general biomedical applications without any specific requirements of citation and references, and then I need to enter. You can see this deep research feature has started analyzing different sources. So till now it has analyzed total 15 sources. So the ChatGPT has now completed processing of this document, and you can see here research completed in 10 minutes, and which is based on total 51 sources. So you can see this, even though I have asked to provide 5,000 words literature review, but this is around 10,000 words literature review with proper in-text citations and the list of references at the end of this literature review. And one more most important point, even though I belongs to this field, but still I can say the way it captures the technical details, justifies each point is beyond my thoughts. This language is also natural, clear and well structured, which really makes it engaging. And if you go through this text, then it truly feels like an expert researchers wrote this. So when you talk about the researchers at initial level or intermediate researchers, then definitely ChatGPT can now think beyond human intellectual ability, at least for these researchers. Obviously there are few big shots, those can definitely write to this level. Those researchers have published even more than 200-300 research papers in high quality referred journals, and they have the ability to critically analyze the things in their own areas, and they can even write to this level or maybe better than this. So if you think about replacing human intellectual ability entirely by using AI, that is really not possible. But believe me, whatever text this ChatGPT has generated by using this deep research feature is really beyond my expectation. So in future, what will happen, we can't even imagine. So let us now talk about the Turnitin's AI score report for this generated text. Okay, so now I have copied this entire text in my Word file, and I have named this Word file as first document. And then I have also checked the similarity and AI score for this document in Turnitin. So let us check that. So this is the similarity report. So similarity percentage is something around 20%. So you can see this. So most of the times this similarity remains in between 10 to 20%. So similarity will not be an issue. But if you talk about the AI score report. Let me open this document. Then this is around 29%. So this is again the most important part of this deep research. So most of the times I have checked multiple files, those have generated by this deep research, and many times this AI score lies in between 0 to 40%. That does mean the current Turnitin's AI detection algorithm doesn't have that much capability to detect the text which is generated through deep research feature of this ChatGPT. But maybe in future it would be updated, but along with that this ChatGPT's module will also be updated. But don't worry, we will also be discussing few effective key prompts. If you are using those prompts, then most probably you will be getting 0% AI score. Now let us generate another piece of text by little modifying this prompt to see whether ChatGPT is capable to generate human-like text that can't be detected under Turnitin's AI. Now before we discuss the prompt to generate human-like text, let me discuss about this prompt. So in this previous prompt, we have used the terms like write a literature review for last 10 years. However, if you go through the generated text, then you will find that it has referred to few of the websites as well. So in that regard also you have to be very careful. So this prompt is same, but only I have used few of the words like focusing exclusively on peer-reviewed journal research articles, and also please focus on studies that have been published in high-impact peer-reviewed journals. So now by using this prompt, if you are using this deep research feature, then definitely you will get the text which is analyzed from the peer-reviewed research articles only. Okay, now let us discuss about the last prompt. So I have already used that prompt here. You can see this, the prompt is almost same. The only thing is I have added few of the words like additionally ensure that the text is generated in a natural human-like style, making it undetectable by plagiarism checkers such as Turnitin's AI detection algorithms. And now whatever text which is generated by this deep research feature that I have pasted into my another Word file that I have named as second document, and then I have checked its similarity and AI score in Turnitin. So there won't be any change in similarity. However, you can look at AI detection percentage for this document, and it is showing star percentage. That does mean Turnitin is not detecting any of the AI score from this document. So this document is likely be written by human. Okay, now what is the meaning of this star percentage? So generally when the AI score percentage is less than 20%, then it would be showing a star percentage, because Turnitin claims that the false positives rate is very high in between 0 to 20% AI score, and hence it would not be a good practice to mention about the AI score percentage in between 0 to 20%. So don't worry, star percent, that does mean your document doesn't have any AI score. So now we have discussed about this deep research feature and its capabilities, and to be very honest, generating something by using any AI tool including ChatGPT and pasting that in your research documents and publishing those documents is really not an ethical practice. So you can definitely think about its positive sides, and you can use ChatGPT as a supporting tool in your research. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this information will help you. If you have any queries, do write us to comments. We'll definitely try to answer all these comments, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.